Just drove up here to the up top of the hill from where I live. They have this car show every Saturday in the summer. I don't even know if it's organized or if people just show up here, but I'm gonna walk around and look at a few of my favorites. I just parked my truck here on the outside, so yeah, I'm gonna take a look around. I think it's a Ranchero. I don't know what year that would be, like 50, gosh, 58 maybe? Sometimes they'll say. I don't know, but that thing's pretty sweet. I always like the Rancheros. It's like Ford's answer to the El Camino. It's pretty cool. $5.98. Yeah, I don't know what year. This would probably be about a 70, maybe 71. Looks like he's got it set up for drag racing. That's pretty cool. Roll cage. It's tubbed out. Big tires on the back. That thing's sweet. Wide. Oh, it's a 70. Okay, I think I was there in my first guess. Mercury Cougars was always a big fan of those. Those are pretty cool. I don't know what year that would be, like a 68 maybe. It's pretty sweet. Of course, I like these Fox body Mustangs too. When I was in high school, these things were about as fast and as cool as like a normal person could afford. And now they're pretty wimpy compared to, you know, the Hellcats and all that stuff, but I still like them. Pretty cool. I don't know what year that is. I think it's a Torino. It's got the 351. I don't know if that's a Cleveland or a Windsor. It's pretty sweet. GT. I don't know what. It's got to be, yeah, Torino. It's got to be like a 68 or 69. Maybe a 70. I don't know. Automatic. Look at that back dash on that thing. That's crazy. I remember being a kid, like laying down on those, like laying up there. Can't do that anymore. Grand Touring. Yeah, that thing's sweet. Thing's pretty cool. I'm not a big VW fan, but all that stuff on it, that's awesome. Oh, he's got the Herbie shifter on it. That's way cool. Yeah, somebody put some love into this thing. I love that. I just got done talking to that guy with the Torino down there. It was, oh, here's another one with a surfboard on it. That's sweet. Or boogie board, I guess. Like California car. Pretty neat. That's a 68 Charger. And this is cool. I think this is a 68 Roadrunner. Yeah, that thing's awesome. 440. Yeah, that's way cool. He's got the hood pins on it so the hood comes off. That's awesome. Dart. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. No idea what this thing is. Homemade dune buggy of some kind, or side by side. That thing's awesome. Ecotech. Yeah, I don't know if that's homemade or really cool, whatever it is. That thing looks like a lot of fun. Crazy, but I love these things. I would love to have one. Either a Model T or a Model A. Oh, that's so cool.
31.
Yeah, that would be fun. Just to putz around in. 1931, almost 100 years old. Over these rat rods like this. Those things are cool. It's kind of what got hot rodding all started, was these type of things. Guys would get back from the war and buy something and customize them. Oh, that's cool. He's got a ammo can in there for storage. Very cool. Yeah, I'm drawn to these things for some reason. Look how simple that is. I even like them like a little dinged up, and this one's got a nice little patina on it. Yeah, I'd love to have something like that. It's got the hole for the crank start in case you need to hand start it. Very cool. Even the rims look cool. That little patina on those. Yeah, that's about the condition I'd want. Something about like that. And you could pick these up pretty reasonable. Yep. Love it. These are, it's like a 2005 maybe Ford GT5. I don't know if that's 500. They put a, I think twin turbo 6-cylinder in these, and it's a mid-engine car, so there's the engine right there. These things are, man, they're pretty rare, very rare. Yeah, it's one of my all-time favorite cars right there. I don't even think I would fit in one of these things, to be honest, being 6'5". And a nice looking Roush Mustang. Thing's pretty sweet. It's like it's got the supercharger on it. It's probably the same. Oh, that thing's signed by Jack Roush. That's pretty cool. Very cool. I don't know my Mustangs of these years. Roush charged. Yeah, they put the Roush supercharger on these. Looks pretty sweet. Well, I'm up this way to pick up a pizza. I figured I'd stop in here. This Monte Carlo is pretty sweet. Not a big fan of those rims. I don't like when they put the newer rims. I'd rather have the old rims on it, but that thing's pretty. 71. I don't even know what this is. It's got all the, yeah, I have no idea what that is. Oh, here's a Fairlane. No, that's a Galaxy. Pretty cool though. 66 Galaxy XL. 67. Thought it was a Fairlane at first. They look real similar. Galaxies are a little bit bigger than Fairlanes. We're gonna walk up this way. It's a, I don't know what, 75, 76 Pontiac. I like more of the, I love like 57 Chevys. Now this thing is cool. Somebody took the time to restore that Datsun, which is the precursor to Nissan, of course. But I don't know why they went with Datsun before they went with Nissan, because something about like the marketing, they wanted to be their own brand or whatever. Yeah, that thing's cool. Somebody put some love into that. There's probably a time when you could buy that thing for $200. Very cool. Yeah, I like the odd stuff. I love the 57 Chevys and the 66 fastback Mustangs and all that stuff, but something that's odd. Ford Sprint. It almost looks like a Falcon. I'm not even familiar with that. Oh, it is a Falcon. Falcon Sprint. Huh. Yeah, Falcon was a smaller version of the Fairlane. Alright, there's another Roush Mustang. That thing's sweet. Yeah, you see a lot of the Roush Mustangs, but you don't see a lot of the Roush F-150s. Alright, that's a Shelby GT. That thing's pretty awesome. Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am, roughly. There's another Shelby right there. All right, well, I'm going to pick up my pizza. I don't know what this thing is. Kind of a Plymouth 69 Dart. 69 Dart. Huh. Dart GT. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Brunswick Car Show. Back over here. I always like these Monte Carlos too. These things are always 80s classics. And this is my ride.